everybody, today we're gonna speak about planets and what they do. And this is my dog Leo. So, first fun fact. Did you know the moon only has 3 layers? Cool, right? It's just the surface, the crust, and the core. And then Earth has 6 layers. So its layers is the surface, crust, lava, molten lava, and core and inner core. That makes 6. So Liram would want to give a fun fact.
Hello guys, my name is Liram. I'm Connor's cousin, and I would like to also give a fun fact. The Earth, we will be learning about the Earth. The Earth is covered by 72% of water and 28% land. People may think that's very small, but that's big, like really big. And we're not even getting into the galaxy yet. So now I'll let Connor take over.
So our next fun fact. Did you know in 1878 a guy said that if you drop something in a vacuum, a vacuum by this state meaning is that something with no oxygen. So in 1972, a guy that was on the moon, he dropped a hammer at the and the feather on the moon, and it landed at the same time. Incredible, hey?
So, guys, that's a fun fact. But tomorrow we'll be learning even more fun facts. But what I want to say is that this little guy over here, you may not be able to see him, but his name's Leo. He's a very nice dog. And since we have a big yard, tomorrow we'll take him on a walk and we'll show you all about the walk. But anyways, that's it that I have to say. But here's Connor again.
Okay, bye everyone.